Hello everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back at Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement in sunny Sharpsburg, Georgia. Those of you who tuned in earlier may remember how dirty, nasty Sally was from having to spend basically the last couple of months sitting outside, getting rained on, getting stormed on, getting bird pooped on, getting driven in the rain, driven to the store and all that, how nasty she was. Well, at this point, what I did was what we call a strip wash, which consisted of a a pre-rinse with the pressure washer, which I've put away at this point. Then she got foamed with a foam cannon, rinsed off again, and then we did a contact wash. I promised y'all I'd show you what I used. I used what's called Meguiar's Wash Plus, and I only use this stuff when a car is really nasty and I'm planning on doing some polishing, some other stuff, because it's what they call a polishing soap, but it has some abrasives in it, not very aggressive, but it can mar the paint. But anyway, I did a contact wash with that. If you saw the photographs, I used there's my last mitt. I used all those over there also. It says I can't turn my phone while I was live. I didn't turn my phone. Anyway, there they are. And then after the contact wash, I used my little Mighty Mite, I call it, car dryer. Right there it is. Uses heated and filtered air. That thing is like a hair dryer on steroids. Man, that thing puts out some air. Let me tell you what. It's heated and filtered, so much more efficient and much safer than using a drying towel, and faster. There's no way you can do as good a job at drying a car as you can with one of those. You can use a leaf blower, but I like the added feature of the heated air, which speeds things up, particularly when it's cooler weather, and the filtered air, so you're not sucking in any particulates from the air and blasting them against your paint. But that's all that's been done. That's it. I'd say 95% or more of all that nastiness that was on this car before I started is now gone. That ceramic coating, or titanium coating rather, and the sealant, I'll have to at a minimum refresh the sealant, because that harsh soap that I used, I'm sure took it all off, which is not a big deal. I mean, the windshield, the glass all came out looking really nice. The roof, yeah, there's still some stuff on there, which I'm gonna have to do some clay barring in the morning. That's what I call inside work. I won't clay bar the entire car, but what I will do is use what they call the baggie test, and I find contaminants, bonded ones that all this washing did not remove. Then I'll use the clay bar to remove what's left. It keeps telling me don't rotate your phone. I'm not rotating my phone. All I'm doing is turn it around. Yeah. Haven't coated the tires yet. The tires and wheels, they were also dried to avoid spotting. So I think I got all that factory crap off of there. They all had the little red dots on there. I guess they put it on there at the factory for some reason. I'm not sure why. A little bit of lacquer thinner and a microfiber towel, they wiped right off. But it came out nice. Yeah, you know what? For most people, this is what they call a detail. To me, I'm only half done. God dang, where are all these people coming from? But I'd say 95% of all the crap that was on Sally is now gone. And like I say, most people, they would say, hey, that looks great, thank you. Can I go now? But not me. I will clay bar it in places where it's needed and maybe do a light polish. I won't even use an aggressive one-step polish. I'll probably use a final polish in a very soft pad. And if in some places, if it's needed, where it's needed, and then reapply the sealant. And that'll be that. I'll come back and show you guys that when I do that tomorrow. Appreciate you coming by. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. I don't really care which one you do. Like, tag, share if you know somebody's interested in cars and interested in this stuff. Like, tag, share, follow, and if you're on YouTube, subscribe. So you'll be notified of new projects. I've got a Hemi Challenger coming in. I talked to that lady again today at length. That stuff is still falling out of the air. Get her in the garage where this stuff, all this fallout won't land on her. But a little quick detail will take that right off. Not a big deal, not a big deal. But thanks everybody. Y'all have a great Friday evening and an even better weekend. Thank you very much. Bye now.